Welcome to our comprehensive review of two advanced gaming keyboards from Keydous, the NJ80 CP and the NJ98 CP. Both models boast Hall-effect magnetic switches designed for superior gaming performance, but each brings its own unique features to the table. Let's dive into what makes these keyboards stand out in the gaming world. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before starting the video, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our upcoming videos. Both models come with all the essentials: a USB Type-C cable, a dust cover, a key puller, some extra keycaps and switches, and our keyboard itself. The packaging reflects the high-end build and sophisticated design expected from Keydous. Here, we have NJ80 CP in black color and NJ98 CP in black samurai color with aluminum frame. First, let's talk about the common features. Hall-effect magnetic switches. Both the NJ80 CP and NJ98 CP keyboards utilize Hall-effect magnetic switches. Hall-effect switches use magnetic fields to detect the keystroke. This results in a quicker response time and a longer lifespan for the switch because there's no physical contact to wear down. Additionally, this technology allows for customizable actuation points, meaning users can adjust how far a key needs to be pressed before it registers, enhancing both speed and precision in gaming and typing. Dynamic keystroke. This feature enables keys to be activated at different stages of the press. For gamers, this means nuanced control, such as walking with a light press and running with a full press. Each key can trigger different actions depending on how much pressure is applied, allowing for complex combinations and commands during gameplay, which can greatly enhance performance in various gaming scenarios. South-facing RGB lighting. Both models feature south-facing RGB lighting, which positions the LED lights at the southern side of the switch, closer to the user. This design enhances the visibility of the light effects, especially under the keycaps, making the colors more vivid and evenly distributed across the keyboard. Users can enjoy a range of preset or customized lighting effects, adjust brightness, and modify the speed of dynamic effects to suit their aesthetics. Multi-device connectivity. The keyboards support multiple connectivity modes, including wired, Bluetooth, and 2.4 GHz wireless. This versatility allows users to seamlessly switch between different devices, such as transitioning from a PC to a tablet or smartphone. Such connectivity ensures that regardless of the operating system or device type, the keyboard can be a central tool for all digital interactions. Onboard memory and multifunction driver. With onboard memory, these keyboards can store custom settings and preferences directly on the device, which means you can plug the keyboard into any computer and retain your setup without needing to reconfigure your settings. The multi-function driver software facilitates easy customization of key bindings, macros, and RGB settings. It supports both Mac and Windows environments, allowing users to tailor the keyboard's functionality to their specific needs. Compatibility across multiple systems. The Keydous NJ80 CP and NJ98 CP are designed to be highly compatible, supporting a range of operating systems, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Keydous NJ80 CP specifics. The NJ80 CP is powered by a 4,800 mAh battery with up to 320 hours of runtime in power-saving mode. It weighs 0.8 kilogram. Its unique features include adjustable trigger and reset points, which allow gamers to customize key responsiveness for optimized performance. Keydous NJ98 CP. Specifics. Stepping up, the NJ98 CP includes an 8,000 mAh battery, lasting up to 800 hours in power-saving mode. It's slightly larger, heavier at 1.4 kilogram. Additional features include a magnetic docking screen that displays custom images and essential information, a handy calculator, and a programmable aluminum alloy knob for multimedia control. Both keyboards offer a unique blend of gaming-focused innovations. The NJ80 CP's rapid trigger and dynamic keystroke capabilities make it ideal for fast-paced games where precision is key. The NJ98 CP's enhanced features, like the customizable screen and tactile knob, cater to users who value both functionality and aesthetics in their gaming setup. Each keyboard showcases robust build quality with PBT keycaps that resist wear and tear. In conclusion, the Keydous NJ80 CP is perfect for gamers who need a lightweight, highly responsive keyboard with essential features that enhance gaming performance. On the other hand, the NJ98 CP is suited for those who appreciate added functionalities like an interactive display and enhanced control options, making it a versatile choice for both gaming and general use. Whichever model you choose, Keydous promises cutting-edge technology and top-tier performance. So this was all about the video. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and give your reviews in the comment section. This is Enoylity Technology, and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.